windy. I went through it. It's right in there. I remember it was something there last time. I almost ate it. Yeah, I don't want to land on it. My eyes are tearing up already. Got some footage from behind me. That was tough. Thought I was gonna lose it a couple of times. Alright, if you're going, I'm going. I am tired.
Still more fresh in your mind.
Yeah. So far we have been going through it a lot quicker than the first time. Oh. I know, I mean, I think like so far we've run at it like it would be dry.
Yeah. That's kind of how I feel over the scene. Like, almost like makes a little difference. You just adjust your skill a little bit. But it's actually,
I feel like going a little bit quicker through it.
yeah.
It's easier. Whew. Oh man. Oh. That was good. Maybe I should stop the recording or not. No, not here. After the first.
After Pingu.
Yeah, after Pingu.